Have you ever stopped to think that a simple food can transform your health and well-being? Imagine consuming something that, as well as being practical and affordable, offers surprising benefits for your body. In today's video, you'll discover the secret behind a food that could revolutionize the way you eat and look after your health. A food that you may already know about, but probably underestimate. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at it the same way again. We live in times when convenience reigns supreme. Quick, packaged meals have become the foundation of modern eating. But at what cost? These options are often laden with preservatives, harmful fats, empty calories, and a host of ingredients that compromise your body's functioning. Practical, yes, but are they worth it when you consider the real impact they have on your health? And the most alarming thing, many people know that these choices are harmful, but they continue to opt for them, either because of the hustle and bustle of everyday life or because of the lack of affordable and equally practical alternatives. Perhaps you yourself have found yourself in a situation where you had to choose between something quick but unhealthy, or devote time you didn't have to preparing a balanced meal. This is a common and understandable reality, but what if I told you there was an option that combines the best of both worlds? Something that is incredibly easy to consume and at the same time promotes extraordinary health. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a real nutritional treasure that often goes unnoticed in your kitchen. It's natural, affordable, and has incredible properties that have a positive impact on your energy, your heart, your brain, and even your mood. It's not an exotic or expensive superfood. On the contrary, it's an everyday, simple, and powerful companion that you've probably seen many times before without giving it enough thought. So don't leave now. What you're about to discover could be the key to simplifying your eating routine, reducing the risk of health problems, and, what's more, leaving you feeling fuller and more energized on a daily basis. You're just one step away from learning something that could really change your life. And believe me, it's worth the wait. Now that you've understood the negative impact of unhealthy food choices and realized that there is a simple and powerful solution, it's time to focus on this revolutionary food. It is the perfect combination of simplicity and nutritional efficiency, ideal for those looking to improve their quality of life without sacrificing practicality. Consuming this food regularly can have extraordinary effects on your body. Among its benefits, it stands out for providing immediate and sustained energy throughout the day, which is essential for facing the challenges of modern life. It also helps regulate the digestive system, promoting healthier intestinal function. For those who want to protect their heart, this food is a great ally, helping to reduce levels of bad cholesterol and improving blood circulation. But that's not all. It is also rich in essential micronutrients that strengthen bones, improve brain function, and help combat stress and anxiety. In short, by incorporating this food into your diet, you're not just satisfying your hunger. You're investing in health, longevity, and well-being. Best of all, it's incredibly affordable and easy to include in your routine. You may be curious to know what we're talking about. But before I tell you, let me show you how this food compares to so many other options on the market. Its natural composition and benefits far outweigh any industrialized alternative. Want to know how? Then follow me. The banana, one of the most consumed fruits in the world, has a fascinating history that goes back thousands of years. Originally from Southeast Asia, it is believed that its domestication began around 7,000 years ago, and it was one of the first foods cultivated by mankind. Since then, bananas have spread around the world, becoming a staple food in many cultures due to their versatility, pleasant taste, and incredible nutritional properties. Nutritional composition. Bananas are a rich source of essential nutrients that play crucial roles in the functioning of the human body. Its main components include vitamins. It contains vitamin C, which is essential for strengthening the immune system and fighting free radicals. Vitamin B6, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and improves mood. And small amounts of vitamin A, which benefits eye health. Minerals. It is rich in potassium, which is essential for cardiovascular health and balancing blood pressure, as well as magnesium, which is important for muscle and nerve function. Fiber. Its dietary fibers aid digestion and promote a feeling of satiety, making it an ally in weight control diets. Main benefits. Improves cardiovascular health. The high potassium content helps regulate the heartbeat and keeps blood pressure levels under control, reducing the risk of heart disease. Supports mental health. The presence of vitamin B6 and tryptophan contributes to the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, helping to combat symptoms of depression and anxiety. Promotes digestion. Its insoluble fibers help prevent constipation and promote healthy intestinal transit, while the prebiotics present feed the good bacteria in the gut. Helps regulate energy. Rich in natural carbohydrates and simple sugars, bananas are an excellent source of quick energy for athletes or people with high physical demands. Strengthens the immune system. With a good amount of vitamin C, it helps fight infections, colds, and other harmful agents in the body. Protects muscles. Its magnesium content helps muscle recovery after intense exercise and prevents cramps. Contributes to bone health. Although not directly rich in calcium, bananas contain compounds that help the body absorb this mineral, benefiting the bones. Before I go any further, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave your comment, as this contributes significantly to more people having access to this content. Also, at the end of this video, I recommend that you explore my playlist dedicated to healthy foods, which can bring noticeable improvements to your health. Take the opportunity to check out other valuable tips that will certainly be of great interest to you. Now, let's get on with the content. You can start by including bananas in your breakfast, as an addition to your smoothies, or even by consuming them with oatmeal or yogurt. If you do physical activities, a banana after training can be a great option for replenishing energy and aiding muscle recovery due to its high potassium content, which prevents cramps and helps relax the muscles. What long-term results can you expect? With regular banana consumption, you'll start to notice a significant improvement in your cardiovascular health, as potassium helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Increased fiber intake will also contribute to better intestinal transit and more efficient digestion. In the long term, this food can help you maintain a healthy weight, promote a better mood throughout the day, and even improve your mood, as bananas contain tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, the happiness hormone. So including bananas in your daily diet is a simple but extremely effective step towards significantly improving your health. Now, let's explore the benefits of this wonderful food even further. Imagine starting your day with a simple banana. When you eat this natural food, you feel the energy it brings lightly and steadily. Throughout your morning, your body begins to respond better to the daily challenges. Digestion becomes lighter, your mood is noticeable, and even those moments of tiredness in the afternoon are no longer a problem. Your muscles recover more easily after workouts, and even your mind, more focused and calm, feels more balanced. Over time, you begin to realize that the small adjustments you've made, such as including bananas in your routine, are transforming your well-being in surprising ways. Your cardiovascular health, digestion, and mood have never been better. And the best part, all this in a simple, practical way and at your fingertips. Now, if you're interested in the benefits of other magical foods, you should know that here on the channel I have a series of videos that will dramatically transform your health, just like bananas. At the end of this video, I invite you to check out my playlist with more powerful tips on incredible foods that can make all the difference to your life. Don't miss this chance to improve your health in a natural and effective way. I hope you've learned a lot about the benefits of bananas and how they can transform your health. If you liked the video, share it with your friends and on your social networks. I'm sure many people you know will benefit from this information. And don't forget to check out the rest of the content here on the channel. I have several playlists and videos about incredible foods that will drastically improve your health. Browse around and discover everything you can do to feel even better. Until the next video, and take good care of your health.